In this video tutorial, we will show you how to use public key encryption. With password-based encryption, a single password is used for both encryption and decryption. However, public key encryption and private key encryption use two separate keys. One public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. You do not share any passwords when using public key encryption and private key encryption. This method is much more secure when several users need to access an encrypted container stored on a shared network drive. In this scenario, each user has a public-private key pair generated by BestCrypt Key Manager or any similar utility. The public key can be shared openly, for example, with your network administrator. The administrator then encrypts the container with the public key from each user. Every user can access the container using their own private key. Open the BestCrypt control panel, click the Container menu, and select New. Choose the container file path. Then select the size and provide a brief description. Now go ahead and click Create. Instead of entering the password, click Show Advanced Settings. BestCrypt provides you with 4 different encryption schemes. Here we will select Public Key Encryption. You can search online for public keys by clicking Net Search. To choose an existing public key, or to generate a new one, click Choose Key. We have already generated 2 pairs of keys using BestCrypt Key Manager. By default, the key pair is stored in the BCDB folder inside your documents. BestCrypt automatically looks for private keys in this location. In the real-life scenario, you would share your public key by sending it to the administrator, who then adds it to the shared container. For demonstration purposes, we will place the keys in separate folders on the same computer. Choose a public key for the new container and click OK. Move your mouse around the window or type to generate random data for the encryption key. Container is successfully created. Go ahead and click OK. Then dismount your container. BestCrypt also allows encrypting a container with multiple public keys. Let's add a second one. Right-click on the container and open Properties. Then select User Passwords, select Add Password, and click Execute. Enter the password you used to create the key pair and click OK. Repeat the same steps. Re-enter the password and then click OK. Click Show Advanced Settings. Select Public Key Encryption and choose the second public key for the container. Click OK to confirm. Let's now try to mount the container by using either of the 2 private keys. Double-click the container. Enter the password used when generating the public key and click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully used BestCrypt with public key encryption and private key encryption. Your encrypted container is now ready to be shared. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.